Hi everybody, hope everybody is doing well. As usual, first thing first, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Having done that, let's start. It's been a while since I've posted any videos about woodworking, and there's a good reason for that. The reason being, I started working and I realized that some of the tools I have are not enough for the work I want to do. The main problem I had was, which I identified really early on, was a lack of a table saw. I opted to get a miter saw instead of a table saw. In retrospect, that was a mistake, but this is, I guess, a process of learning things. So I decided to get a table saw, and in the meantime I put everything on hold because I was not sure what kind of a table saw I want to invest in. Here in Pakistan, you have three different types of saws available, if you consider that. One is a brand new one that you can acquire. The brand new saws available in this country are limited in number, and the price point variation is a lot in that. You can get a 10-inch blade saw with a reasonable motor from what is about in dollar terms about $180 made in China, and you can go all the way to, for example, saws made by Bosch. These saws are available for around $1,300 to $1,000 to $1,300. Now the price variance is a lot and the features differ as well a lot, but then a lot of things are the same in this. As in, all these saws are what you call worksite saws. These are not firm-based saws that you put in the shop, and so type of saws, professional saws that get installed in a workshop. These are worksite saws. So you have to consider what is available in the market. Having done that, I decided on a Chinese brand saw that is available locally. I use a lot of their tools otherwise as well, and I'm fairly satisfied with them, and I ordered the saw. Ordered it online. The saw has arrived. Right, this is the table saw I chose for my workshop. It's made by a company called Incgo. It's a 1500 watt industrial table saw. It comes with a base that has wheels on it, so it can be wheeled around fairly easily around the work site or inside the workshop. Right, a bit of specifications on this saw. Like I said, this is a 1500 watt motor. It has a maximum speed of 4500 RPMs in the saw. The main table on this saw is 670 by 500 millimeters in size, or if you want to convert this into inches, this is 26.38 into 19 by 11/16 of an inch main table, and it has a sliding table which gives it a further 500 millimeter to 220 millimeter in size. Right, the saw uses a 10-inch blade which will cut to a depth of 3 1/8 of an inch at 90 degrees angle, and at a 45-degree angle the blade will cut 2 3/16 of an inch or 55 millimeters, which is more than adequate for any work I want to do in the workshop at the moment. All right. The saw is a 220 volt system.